All right, y'all, I'm back and I put on some clothes. I decided that I was gonna make my bed, but then I'm like, I should just change my sheets, you know? Let's just start anew. So I'm about to make my bed, change my sheets, crazy thing. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and make up my bed. I'm gonna prop y'all up. So hope you guys are doing the same, setting, you know, new intentions and just getting some stuff done for yourself, for your business, whatever it is. Just don't fall, okay? Okay. If you feel like you're about to fall, blink twice, okay? All right, y'all, so this is my bed. Just made it up. I want to refurbish or rehab this nightstand. I had one that matched my, well, I didn't have it, but I saw one that matched mine. But I've been seeing a lot of them, and I think I can like do this myself. I almost want to buy like a chainsaw thingy because I want to be able to like cut this bottom part off and then add some legs to it. I think it'll be really fire. So I want to do that to our dresser. I have the matching dresser for this out in our main area. So I want to rehab that too. And like they be using like these power chainsaw things to like cut off the bottom, and like I've been thinking about getting one because I can rehab stuff myself. Like I like do-it-yourself projects. So I don't know. It's just, I don't know how much that thing costs. I probably need to look into it. But if y'all would be interested in seeing that, let me know, because I was gonna, I still might call them just to see. One of my clients had gave me a place that she said her mom took their dresser to. Well, she didn't say that. She said that her mom, she thinks her mom had got some furniture rehabbed or refurbished from there. So like they redecorate, I don't know, is that the word? Like they rehabbed it, they did a DIY for something. So I do need to call them and just get a quote, because you know it might not be that bad if they do it, but we'll see. So okay, y'all, so I unwrapped my hair. I worked a little bit, and yeah, I'm going to get my desk together. So I'm just, when I say get my desk together, it's already put together. I did a video on that, so if you want to see how I put this desk together, you know, go check that video out. So I'm just gonna like take off. I have like a I don't know about y'all, but when I get something new, like I don't be wanting to take like the plastic and stuff off of it. Like I could keep this on forever, but I know it don't look all that good, and that defeats the purpose of being able to use it as a whiteboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off, and I'm gonna get my rug set up. So what I noticed is that like I leave this laptop pretty much plugged in. So I was thinking like, and then with my monitor and everything, this is just not enough outlets. So I went to, when I was at Ross, I knew I was gonna have to get some type of like power surge thing. So I went to Ross and I found this thing here that has like a bunch of different plugs. I got the little cord hooked up down there. So I'm gonna move my rug. My rug has a makeup stain on it, so don't judge it. But I have to put the rug under my chair because the chair will wipe off the, like as it rolls across the floor, it'll pull up the wax off the floor, and that's just not the move. So
assume you know exactly how you said it. You know exactly how to missing me, sweet disposition. Switching position, duck in submission. Should I assume it's a weekend thing? Boy, you could get weak. Just think about me, about me. Sound good. What's the difference if it sound good? What's the difference if it's still good? What's the difference if it's still good?
Okay, y'all, so my desk is basically together. I just wanted to show y'all like a couple other things that I got from Ross. I got some more stuff over on the floor, but I think I will show y'all that a little bit later. Okay, so I got my tripod set up, and it's way better. So our living room is kind of like a mess, and it's my fault. Like, I just have stuff kind of like everywhere. It's like a lot of Christmas gifts and just like stuff that I need to do. So I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get some of the things done today, but I wanted to show y'all what I got from Ross. So I got this digital, it's a mini calendar light box in gold, and I thought that was so cute. That's probably some packages because we have some stuff coming. I have some stuff coming, some my mom's gifts, which I'm so glad. I wasn't sure. Me and my sister-in-law will be racing to the door, but because I'm doing something, I obviously am not racing, but I'm gonna try to get that on camera because it's pretty funny. We always race to the door because we know we have like packages coming. So anyways, yeah, I got this, and then I got some more essential oils because I have a diffuser, and I think I might move my diffuser to my desk now, because I feel like it helps with just like how stuffy it could get with the air, I mean like with the heat going and stuff. So I was going back and forth, but I got this set of 6. They had like a set of 3 for like $6.99. They had a bunch of them for like 3 and they had a bunch of like 3 packs for like $6.99 and $7.99, but then I saw this one for you get 6 of them for $8.99. I'm like, might as well pay a couple extra dollars to get, you know, 3 more, $2 more for 3 more. That's the better deal. So got this, and then I also got these they're bag clips, and so I had the colorful ones, but like I think I had vlogged this, I'm not sure, but I don't know what happened to my bag clips. Like, I bought a pack of them before, and like now we can't find any of them, and I'm just like, I don't know if the kids got a hold to them and was playing with them, because sometimes they do that, they just do stuff like that. But I got the metal ones this time, which I think are really cute, and yeah. I also got these drawer like organizers. Like, just look at the way they got this glued on this hoodie. I mean, it could have been laid a little bit better here, but you know, I ain't gonna switch you. This thing is fire. So excited.
You should be.
Yo, if y'all think I'm not gonna put this hoodie on and do some type of Beyonce dance, y'all don't know me. It's okay. Welcome to my channel where I don't know what I'm gonna do the next second, because I be trying to be cute. I be trying to be like a cute vlogger, but that ain't really me. A cute YouTuber, you know? I'm a little extra. I do what I feel, you know? And if I just want to get up and like dance, I'm gonna just get up and dance. Like this concert I did on my Instagram stories, like I'll insert those clips if I can. It just be coming to me like an epiphany, and you know, I feel like that's just what it needs to be. Like, we be trying to be so cute and so proper and all the time, and that's beautiful, okay? Don't get me wrong, it is beautiful, but don't, like, let's not act like we don't just be dancing and singing to ourselves sometimes, you know. That's okay. It's okay to make fun of yourself and do things you wouldn't normally do in front of people. Like, now if I feel like it's too embarrassing, I'll delete it, but you know, for the most part, we ain't always gotta keep it cute. Anyways, again, I'm ready. Good morning. So it's Christmas and I'm about to give my mom her Christmas presents. Wanna say hi?
Merry Christmas.
Can't really see her.
Hello, everyone. Merry Christmas.
She's like facing the sun, which is the wrong place to be, but whatever. So this and this.
What goodies do we have here? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
She just asking for pants.
Oh, they got the pockets on them. Yes, I do like you.
Martina, Kevin did.
Eighth day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a crop jacket with dirty denim jeans. On the 5th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me.
You know, I love me a turtleneck. Look at this. Hey, hey, hey.
The point that he wrote for me. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Feels so. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Feels so lovely.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I love everything. I got me a new winter wardrobe.
Rachel. So that's it. I'm gonna charge this battery so when I go to my sister's house, I'll have something to film. Yeah, I'll probably do my what I got for Christmas once I get ready. It's what I got myself. But I'll check back in with y'all later. Hey y'all, Merry Christmas. I'm at my sister's house and we're having a little gathering. It's a small one, not major.
And then press the start game.
Well, look at what they got. A big Pac-Man system.
Okay, and so then I just
And they got
press mine.
Galaga on here.
And you
This
press your start
Galaga is
game.
my game.
Now we gonna take turns.
Okay. So am I going
Yeah,
first?
you go first.
Wow,
Like you can.
this is crazy.
And now go ahead.
Hey, say what up, Rico.
Come on, get your so you can see.
That box over there to say the last Merry Christmas.
But that's
Okay.
it's this time. That's what don't even do this.
Say what up to the vlog, Rico. Like that piece of crumb off your lip. What you got, Mom?
I got some house shoes. I got some gloves. I got some.
Open them up, Lyric.
I got
Take
some.
them out. Take them out the plastic.
I got some.
Here, Layla. Merry Christmas.
Oh, it's still
I
going.
got some.
Here, baby.
Oh, she's so romantical.
Mommy, this one. Mommy, this one is
That's from Uncle Mario and Bryson and Addie and Auntie Renee.
Oh my God! What is it?
Oh my God.
Oh my God, what is it?
Oh Lord, what is it?
It's a birthday key.
Ooh.
It's just what I wanted from the TV.
Do you know who gave you that? Who gave you that?
Uncle Mario, Bryson, Addie Patty.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And Auntie Renee.
Oh, okay. Open it with mommy.
Oh, what you got, little tree?
I got a suitcase and I
Oh, you
got
got a good
Oh, where you gonna go?
I gotta find my key.
Oh, go hoops, yes. I feel it.
I found my key.
Look at my shoes.
Okay, Converse. Ooh, is it leather? Is it leather?
You know we wear the same size, right?
Do y'all? That's crazy.
You're not gonna wear my shoes.
These actually my size. She got a half a size to go.
I know. But I like
I smelled it. I said, Lyric, I hope you're not polishing your nails.
You know, gotta keep her flossy with the makeup. Listen, that makeup is for in the house only, okay? Oh, this
It's really Christmas. La 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 la. Christmas, my baby gave to me to forget to get my favorite CDs. On the second day of Christmas, my baby gave to me the keys to a CLK Mercedes. On the first day of Christmas, my baby gave to me
Stavros, Martina, and Kevin did.
Doesn't it feel like Christmas?
So y'all, this is my gift here. Also, my cousin got me a new wallet, but okay, so already recording. Okay, y'all, so it's time for me to take out my gift.
Can somebody help me build it? Today is Christmas! Woo!
My makeup case.
Ooh.
I'm excited.
That is nice.
It's lit. I got a top there. Yay. Come get this. Look, you gotta film it.
I am.
So I can put
I'm looking inside.
and then I can lift this up. The camera's about to die, so once I charge it and everything, I'll be showing y'all what I have. And happy holidays to you and yours. Bye.
Oh,